Got it here, really unique flashlight. Check this out. Regular flashlight, and there is a light for screwdriver. So if you need to use any kind of screwdriver, there's one, there's a bigger one. You gotta fold this one up and use this one all the way, and look at that, it goes right onto the screwdriver pretty much. And let's see, there's also, I think, Allen wrenches or some. What is that? No way. So it comes out and you have a tiny little screwdriver. That is awesome. I need this kind of screwdriver all the time. Now I know where to find one. So let's turn it off. Also there's a belt clip. I always forget the names of the screwdrivers. There's just a smaller sizes now over here. That is perfect. I'm gonna keep it in my studio in case I need one. That's amazing. So flashlight, regular one, really bright. And then there's a screwdriver flashlight. And I got it here, a really cheap flashlight over here. But look how bright it is. I just wanted to put it to the test. Let's see how many batteries it takes. Yep, that's what I thought. Probably like, wow, 1, 2, 3, that's it. So let's go test them in the dark so that way we can compare this one to something. Okay, this one is really good. As you can see, it's really bright. Perfect. And this flashlight is actually very powerful as well on the other side. That's cool. Kind of sideways. And now this cheap one, see how well it works. Whoa! This is like a floodlight. That's pretty cool. I like that flashlight a lot. So cheap, but so powerful. That's crazy. This is in the complete darkness. That's crazy, look at that. Versus this one. You see you have this little, like a spot in the flashlight. I kind of don't like these flashlights as much, unless you need to point it far, far away. But yeah, now you know. This is just cool as well. Both flashlights are awesome. Got it here, 150 lumen flashlight. Check this out. It's pretty bright, but also you can turn it into a lantern. Probably good idea to take this stuff out, so that way it can actually illuminate and make your room brighter. So yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, and also flashing right here so that way you can see where you're going, and also that way people can see you. And then should be a solid one. Pretty awesome. So yeah, very, very bright flashlight. I'm in the garage, 150 lumens. Then also it's really bright. There's one light, there's two lights. Illuminates everything pretty good. So like a little flashlight lantern. This right here, if you're walking by the road, so that way people can see you. And again, it starts over if you pause it. Then just a red one, maybe like a cone. So in case it's like emergency by the road. So I'd say this is pretty cool survival flashlight over here, or just for the house. Perfect.